Well, the awards are important because they celebrate the success of so many people across the NHS in Wales.
The judges were very impressed by the level of perseverance and commitment that all of the people involved in these projects demonstrated. It was a real pleasure to work in the NHS and to see that colleagues have such a positive approach to the work that they do.
I think people beaver away, we don't look over our shoulder. I think we can learn from each other as well, and an event such as this makes that possible.
Awards like this are very important to show the good and positive work that's going on within trusts and within health boards to make sure that the positive messages of healthcare also get out, especially in this current climate.
And without exception, all of the entries sought to improve the patient experience and the patient journey.
The expertise and experience that's been presented across the board today gives everyone some food for thought and something to learn and something to take away from it. So whether you win or not, it's a worthy experience and something that should add value to everyone's day job.
The buzz that you get from a day like today is absolutely amazing. You've probably seen the tears, you've heard the laughter as well. It's just something that's infectious, and all the hours of hard work that people put into these schemes just pay dividends on a day like today.